Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today, and grab SHIB if you can. Right, for SHIB holders, SHIB lovers, I know you guys rock and everything. The plan is still there. Killing the zero is still there. Nothing has changed. Nothing is changing. Doesn't really matter if you saw this. The plan is still to kill the zero, and how else awesome would it be other than just getting the lowest of the lowest and then trying to kill the zero in the future, other than getting in here and killing the zero later. Now, it's been a wild couple of days in crypto. We have seen so much going on. We have seen a lot of bunch of things just happening, right? That isn't really good. But hold your nerves, time changes, and definitely the time ahead, I think personally, is going to be a beautiful one still. So one thing about SHIB that I want to comment is that you have your support and resistance. So you started the downtrend here, moved up, got rejection, came down, moved up, got rejection again, break to the upside, and now that whatever that resistance was is now turning to be a support right there. And if you start to actually see SHIB making it back up like this, make a morning star, and then you may actually start to push back up again for the next massive impulsive move back up here, and perhaps even continue more and more higher. So that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.